Why Udemy? Udemy has become a huge platform that receives a huge amount of visitor traffic every day. So in this training, we will show you how you can associate yourself with this huge website which has a ton of resources and marketing power so that you can make recurring income. It is a lot easier than you think to create a course and publish it on Udemy. And with all the eyeballs that the platform has, if you go about things the right way, then you will make good money selling your course. There are a lot of other places where you can promote and sell your courses, so why should you choose Udemy? The benefits of selling courses on Udemy. There are a number of very good reasons why you should sell your courses on Udemy. If you are just starting out with selling training courses, this is particularly important for you to know. It can be very confusing and somewhat overwhelming if you want to start teaching people online. You need to answer a number of questions, such as, should I teach people using a blog? Should I use YouTube? Should I create a podcast? Then, of course, there are the self-doubt questions that usually creep in when you want to start teaching online with your own courses. Am I the right person to teach online? What will I do if nobody buys or likes my online courses? Udemy has the answer to all of these questions, and here's why. You can make money while you learn. If you really want to succeed online and create passive income streams, there are many things that you need to learn and understand. How to conduct proper market research. How to create winning promotions. How to create top quality content. How to produce great videos. How to market and sell online. How to use analytics to see how well you are doing. These are just a few of the things you need to know. If you are serious about generating recurring passive income, then you need to know how to create these automated marketing systems that make this a reality. There are a number of technical aspects involved here, and some of these can be a nightmare. So if you are new to this making money online thing, you have a steep learning curve to tackle. You can make this a whole lot easier by learning how to leverage the Udemy platform. You can earn while you learn. The great thing about Udemy is that you can concentrate fully on creating the best online training courses for your market, and they will take care of the marketing for you. By using Udemy, you will gain the experience of creating video courses that people will happily pay you for. You will learn how to create and edit your videos and how to write persuasive emails and interact properly with your target audience. Everything about Udemy is really plug and play. You can make money quicker with Udemy. Another benefit of using the Udemy platform is that you can make money in the very first month that you published your training course. And when you produce training courses that your market wants and you establish your reputation, it will be easy for you to generate a significant passive income each month. A lot of people that set out to make passive income either fail altogether or take ages to get to that point. They take the approach that they need to build an audience first, and then later on they will make purchases. It is not unusual for this approach to take anything from a year to 18 months to start generating a regular monthly income. Why wait that long when you can utilize the power of Udemy and do it a lot faster? Real passive income consistently. Let's face it, all online marketers love the idea of generating passive income. The idea of making money while you are sleeping or doing what you want to do is something that everyone aspires to. But the problem is making this a reality is pretty tough to do, and making this happen fast so that you keep motivated is even tougher. If you want to set up your own website to generate passive income, there is so much that you have to do, including creating web pages, writing email sequences for your autoresponder, spending money on paid ads, providing the highest quality content, finding the right payment processors, tracking all of your analytics, creating all of the graphics that you need, creating high converting copy for your offers, implementing your automated marketing system, managing outsourcers, and so much more. The thought of all this work puts a lot of people off the idea of passive income. Setting up a winning passive income system requires a ton of hard work and dedication as well as technical expertise. But when you use the Udemy platform, it is easy to create a consistent passive income. It is not unusual for people that create in-demand courses on Udemy to generate thousands of dollars per month in passive income. You just need to do everything the right way once, and then you can sit back and enjoy the rewards for a long time to come. Once you know how to do it right, you can create more courses to increase your monthly income. People that have tried other methods of generating passive income have found Udemy to be the answer. Nothing else really comes close to the ease of getting started on Udemy and setting up passive income streams for years to come. You can leverage a huge student base. Udemy has a very large base of students that will pay for online training courses. This is much better than having an audience that has consumed a ton of free training but never actually purchased anything. Udemy is the largest platform in the world for paid video training courses. It has tons of buyers just waiting for the next great course. So you can tap into a very large pool of buyers in your niche. The thing is that people are already spending money in your niche on Udemy, and they are happy to spend more. You don't have to spend months creating a following, as it is all there right now for you. And remember this, once somebody has purchased a course from you on Udemy, they are 10 to 15 times more likely to purchase another course from you. This is excellent, as you can so easily build an audience of buyers on Udemy. Finding new customers for your business is a huge expense. When you use Udemy, you will actually earn passive income while you acquire new customers. Not only that, but you can use Udemy to direct your customers elsewhere. For example, in your final lecture, you can capture their email address. You can place your website URL in your videos. More about this later. You can send your students educational announcements and direct them to your website or wherever you want them to go. So, the bottom line is that you can use Udemy to generate traffic to wherever you want. Get good market data. You are probably unaware that you can get key market data from the Udemy platform. If you want to succeed in any business, you need to know your customers. You need to know what challenges they are facing, their pain points, and the questions that they have. It is not easy to find all of this out. Most of the experts will tell you to go to forums and join Facebook groups so that you can interact with your target audience. But this is incredibly time-consuming, and there's no guarantee that you will find the information you are looking for. Udemy makes this really easy because when someone enrolls for one of your courses, you can interact directly with them in the discussion area. Just observe the pattern of the questions you receive, and you can get to know your target market very well. Imagine that. Not only are you earning passive income, but you are gathering the market data that you need about your target audience at the same time. So, make the smart choice and use Udemy to provide you with your passive income.